Hasin Margaret School, la Pynlong ya ka program Pynlong tho Shapang ka Koit ka Khiah, but ka jing Koit jing suba jong ki Kynthei, ya kani program la Panya da u Shubham Charitable Association, ringkat bat ka jing Trailang, but ka Operation Clean Up, but ka Martin Luther Christian University. Ya kani ka jing yalang la pele jing mot ha ki rukom le Koit but ki lat kilenti ban penne ya ki. La pen iru ya ki sanitary pad ki bala ban pindon kambiang. Kabakin tiyo, ikijing ko jing Khiah hakabaya day, bat kamariang. Lapun kot yakini ka program da ka kubor halor ka jing small to, pat ba bat ki jing yaki persha yaki jinget ki ba pinken yaki kindon.
And led by our President Srimati Pushpaji Bajaj. This is totally a women's organization which has spent 27 years championing women's empowerment and upliftment. In this journey, we have trained over 25,000 students in this journey across a wide range of skills like beauty, tailoring, computers, agriculture, jute making, dry flower making, and many more. Today, Shubham is focused on a mission close to our home, generating employment for the local women of Meghalaya through the making of reusable sanitary pads. These pads are eco-friendly, affordable, hygienic.
This is a women's organization. We work for women upliftment, we work for women empowerment, and we as a team has been working since last 27 years. Right? So how are you all girls today? Good? All look full of energy. I loved your blue hairbands which you all are wearing in coordination. Just it looks beautiful on them. Yes. So we are here for an awareness program regarding reusable sanitary napkins. Before we start with the introduction of fresh pads, I just want to know that all of you, do you know what is menstruation? Yes? We being girls, whether it's you, whether it is us, all of us, we all go through this beautiful phase of menstruation.
One thing that I have loved about this event was that it's so much better than the usual sanitary pads because it consumes so much of more than the more than that the usual one. And I would suggest everyone to use this pads because it even works more than those pads.
So, are you excited to use this?
Yes, I'm very excited.
Yeah. Thank you.
And
Maybe you will see the picture tomorrow in the newspaper. We can all discuss, but I request.